We stopped 100 clicks from Moscow to check our Geiger counters. The thing is, they are all in the green, as if they're in a conspiracy. This amazing piece of news doesn't really impress anyone that much. The guys are all confused as to what to do next. And I'm just waiting for answers. And hoping the commander, whom until recently I trusted implicitly, is going to be extremely persuasive in his reasoning.
Have you checked it?
Yes, it's all green. Double check it. Stefan's in the green too. We don't need masks here.
So, they were telling the truth.
Who was telling the truth? Why won't you answer? Who are those people trying to kill us? Why would they shoot at you, the Order's commander? Explain something at least. You owe us that.
Well, I might as well drop the bomb now. The war did not end.
What do you mean, did not end?
Let me finish. Most of our cities are destroyed. The rest of the country is probably under enemy occupation. To avoid new nuclear attacks against us, Command chose the only viable course of action. To play dead. To ensure radio silence, the SHIELD system was created. A network of radio jammers covering Moscow and suburbs. So that some radio enthusiasts wouldn't bring more bombs down on our heads by whining on air. And it's one of these jammers that got deceived by the hands of those present here.
Could you not have shared that before? Say, before Artyom took that radio outside and caused all that radiation?
No! I only got briefed out here. Under
You know what I mean?
to talk
And I try, brother.
die policy. And then had to tell my people we were securing a weather station.
Sir, with all due respect, if we can't go back, maybe we should advance and move on?
I have an idea, but... Artyom, rather than carrying on with this silent disapproval of yours, check the airwaves. We should be out of the jamming range by now, so give it your best try. Look for transmissions from the Ark. Do you understand now why we're traitors in the eyes of Command? We shut down a jamming station, shot up the guards, destroyed a patrol train, and ran away from Moscow. Who even needs a trial when the case is so clear? There's no way back now. Which means we have to continue moving forward.
Command, what are you talking about?
The Moscow Defense Command. Have you ever heard of the Invisible Watchers?
I have, but they're just an urban legend.
Not at all. They are command.
Are you sure they care for more than just protecting their asses? You mentioned the Ark. What's that all about?
If Artyom finds their signal, you'll figure everything out. Otherwise, there is nothing to talk about.
Do you think finding that Ark of yours is going to fix everything?
I do not. But if you have a better idea, then go ahead.
Yes, I do. We have to find a good place for people from Moscow, like Artyom always wanted.
Giving them all to the enemy? A grand idea. I say, we solve our problems before moving on to saving all Moscow. All right? How is it going, Artyom? Found it yet?
There's a whole world out here. A world where we could live.
So far, we only know one thing for sure. Radiation levels are not
Oh, yeah,
low.
there.
The air is breathable. What about the rain?
So what? You can't
Something
even
like that.
breathe in
We don't
Moscow.
want to know.
So, does anybody live out
This.
here? We don't know.
Watch out. Your life well
I
rich.
don't know that either.
Just consume some corned beef and white rice.
Again,
A little dish there.
no.
And wash it down with a little some water.
But we do know we've been lied to. For 20 years, we've been lied to. We know they've been killing people.
Collateral damage is inevitable in operations of such scale and secrecy. Yes, people have died, but the bombs killed tens of millions. Yet we are alive. We
good,
stayed
man.
alive throughout those years.
Artyom almost got killed. Is he just collateral damage too?
Guess what?
But pan of
If you
cooking.
have to choose between the life of a single man, no matter how dear he is to you, and the lives of everybody else, all the dwellers of Metro, then there's nothing to think about. Are you looking for it, Artyom? Come on, do your best.
Would you say the same about me?
And about myself, too. I've spent my whole life protecting the people of Metro. Do you get it? My whole life. And I wouldn't hesitate for a second. I'm prepared to do anything to ensure Metro survives. Even though they'd shoot me on sight if I returned now.
Dan go pre-video now.
Too many lives are at stake.
Yes.
Too many lives have already been sacrificed to hesitate now.
What you saying, see? Kind of light up blue.
I'm sorry. I didn't want to.
I'll dig me here for the boy thing.
We have to make up our minds. How will things finish for all of us?
Yeah, I send it to you
Lying to
personally.
each other and arguing. We need to be better.
You ask me how things will finish. Well, let me tell you. It all depends on Artyom now. If he finds the frequency, if they are alive. Found it yet, Artyom? Please, try. It must be there. Nothing yet, Artyom. This signal has got to be there. Look some more.
I'm bring over head.
Keep looking, Artyom. There's got to be a signal. Are you looking for it, Artyom? Come on.
Artyom,
do
run
your
away.
best.
Yeah, you're good, brother. Kill him.
Nothing yet, Artyom. This signal has got to be there. Look some more.
I'll tell them,
Are you
man.
looking for it, Artyom? Come on, do your best.
I'll tell them, man.
Found it yet, Artyom? Please try.
Asian, Asian. Him brother can play it, you know. Him brother bad. I know him brother. Him brother used to play for.
Be a signal.
I don't know him personally, but he tell me about him brother. Yeah, I say, he kind of say, my brother is better than you. I say, where your brother?
Must be there.
And then he tell me.
Keep looking, Artyom.
He brother good man. Brother can play. Not Derby, but him brother is a what? Centre back, but him brother one fast centre back.
Do your best.
When I say fast, he fast like a plane. Yeah, in quick.
Found it yet, Artyom?
But the thing with him brother is when he get the ball and him a chop, he just kick the ball and run. He not really chop or nothing, he just kick it and run straight middle. Run.
Listen, everyone.
He can eat things still. Him brother good though.
1-1-79. Area 1-8-5. I repeat.
Where was that number supposed to?
Rally point location.
Got it.
Code 1-8.
So it is somewhere around here. The Yamantau Mountain. So the route from here should go like this. This is our goal.
So, is this what you had in mind?
Him brother, Eh? Brother, I get the same thing too.
Underground, enormous stores, machines, the best experts.
I tell you, that.
Generals HQ.
When me doing that, yo, when me there training or some things, when me doing that training, they not done.
Operation work. We will tell them
Be a fancy dangles.
it wasn't all for nothing.
All that the hook they will say, me hook ball and my foot as it drop me hooky back again over head. Thank God. Good panny hookings, you know. Burn up.
Great reaction. So I think the moment calls for bring what up, sir? That thing that's been sloshing about in your canteen. Do you think I'm deaf or what?
That. Just a moment. I thought my ears were deceiving me.
It's not a short trip to the Urals, so we should make ourselves comfortable, I guess. Let's name this bucket of bolts at the very least, eh?
It's about time.
Let's go around and be done with it.
Go to hell. Even better. Come on.
How about Aurora, the Roman goddess of dawn and a cruiser of, you know what?
Not bad. I like it.
Beautiful name.
Sounds okay, but the cruiser of what?
Yeah, I'll tell you later.
Looks like it's decided. Let's drink to Aurora.
Hey, Artyom, let's take a look at that map.
All right, we had a round. That should be enough. Yermak, full steam ahead. Hi. Full steam ahead.
Wow, that's some distance. I wonder how long it will take. How are you, Alyosha?
I was expecting an arrow from you, but I got a bullet from an ugly motherfucker instead.
You sure you're okay? Because I know you.
Just so you know, scars attract the ladies.
And there's definitely a lot of those up ahead.
I don't need a lot, really. It's quality that matters.
On the other hand, well, we have conducted the room.
Hello, Artyom. It seems to me, whether it was intended or not, that our colonel now has a goal to strive for because of you. We all remember the way you fought back in D6, so no matter what lies ahead, we're with you. You can count on us. Yeah, yes. As for me, I'm running a little inventory check. Yeah, it is kind of cramped in here. I'm thinking of making something.
Regular that reach me.
So that's all the instruments we get, and everything else would be within arm's reach. With no workbench, you just lose. So
Yeah.
components,
Run go in a way for
cleaning, oiling,
call it he care them
keep them from
you know the day.
my stuff.
Go back in your transfer sitting there so you say you ready. The man then can't go with that right.
So, if you find any weapons you like to keep, I'll store them for you here on the Aurora, and you can come back to exchange them. You'll get them back in their best shape ever. Don't you doubt. Boy, have I cleaned and oiled a lot of weapons in my life. Factory and homemade too. Some of those were just amazing. So unusual. So, if you have any weapon-related questions, I'm your man. And weapons, they are like girls. They need attention. You clean your weapon well. You oil it. You check the ammo. Because these dirty ammo caps do get rusty sometimes.
Well, hello there, Artyom. You people could have called me up there to drink to Aurora.
Yeah.
was a better name. Well, help yourself. Because frankly speaking, I'm a bit tired here. The only good thing about this job is that you forget it's winter. If only you didn't have to pay for this comfort later. When your whole body aching. I heard that monotonous labor calms you. Well, it's not a lie. I do feel the scar, you see. Yetiwa says it's dynamic meditation. That philosopher doesn't come here to meditate too often, though.
Cranberry.
That's all? Okay, I'll take it from here.
That's hard, man. Metro Exodus.
Andrei Ivanovich, how long have you been working with those jammer people for?
About a year, I guess. At first, they got me to sign up by singing of my experience helping people. Told me about weather stations and mutant migration observers. I was proud to be.
So, dear Moses, can you feel how sweet the air is without a mask? Or not just sweet, so many shades of taste it has. A weird feeling, eh, my friend?
Idiot.
I remember you telling me how you took your mask off atop a Stonkino tower. When you homed those missiles in on the dark ones, was the air bitter then? Who knows though? Had you not launched those missiles, you'd probably never have climbed that building or received that signal. Life is weird, huh? One
Foot
random
feels so
event
cool,
drags
man.
another with it, like links in a chain. And you are pulling that chain out of a deep, dark well. The links emerge from the dark water. What drink is in that bucket that's on the end of the chain? That's a mystery. That's what I often think about when facing a choice. You can't
What did
drop
black?
the chain either. You always have
So
to
that
release
I-
that bucket. Well,
I color.
thumbs up, I suppose.
You notice he does thanks if you forgot them if you give a black. I color alone the ask, I know you need to name out everything. If you say black 87,
Dumb to think about such things when all I ever did in
you
life
can't
was
just say
carry out
black.
orders.
Now them I give you black. You know what I mean?
An idiot for nothing. Still,
You have to call the
I
number
would
quick.
like to know what's on the end
Black
of your
87.
chain.
Them here man, tear man, thing on my yo. Black 87. Straight away they know you know.
It doesn't matter if there's radiation or not, Comrade American. The citizens of Moscow will have to stay put. Things might have been that easy in your America, but life has has never been so easy here. Even now, we woke up saviors of the metro, and by lunchtime, we're enemy spies, saboteurs, train thieves. And what for? Something we thought was true turned out to be a lie. And that is enough for them to want us dead.
The Hansa bosses must have known we could live up here. But the public didn't know that. Who would want to stay down in the metro if we told them?
We cannot tell them. If they are ready to make mincemeat out of old ladies and kids to keep their secret, what do you think would they do to you, Uncle Sam? Huh? We can't go back. We can't use radio. Remember the jammers? And even if you pull a perfect Rambo and break through back into the metro, do you expect they'd all just believe you and go, yes, Moses, lead us out of this Egypt? Can you even imagine the death toll? Take your average station workers. Even if the Hansa guards didn't shoot them, how far would they get? Right to the nearest mutant den, most likely. We are safe here, speeding along on this Eastern Express. They are not as lucky. Not at all.
What if there was a proper evacuation?
And who would do that? Hansa's people? The ones that kept us under lock and key for 20 years? Or us too? Besides, getting rid of the Moscow's
Then, about 2 months ago, they loaded a bunch of people onto my Aurora. The guards took them outside and came back alone. Told me they took...
All those years in the underground, the air of the surface seemed incredibly fresh, intoxicating. But that was not what had caused the crew's euphoria. Our journey finally got a definite purpose provided by the transmission from the government bunker in the Urals. For 20 years, neither the government nor military high command had survived. Turns out they're still around. Where were they while we were eating each other alive in the metro? We'll have a lot of questions for them once we reach Yamantau. If we reach it. The ruins of our country are under enemy control, according to Miller. And we'll have to fight through to our goal. A small team against the occupation armies? What are the chances that we'll succeed? That we'll get some answers?
Zeke. Yeah. 30. Mm-hmm.
Froze anything off yet, darling? Here, let's warm you up a little bit. So, what do you think our chances of getting to Yamantau alive are? It's the only thing on my father's mind. How to earn his forgiveness, get back to Metro and his old life, the life you had always been running from. And to think, I never believed you. And now I'm looking at this fog, thinking it could actually be hiding our new life from us. By the way, we should be approaching the bridge soon. Damn it! A campfire! People! There are people there! Hit the bridge!
Shots fired! 4 bogies on a trolley!
All hands, report to the bridge, on the double.
Artyom, you should probably get to the bridge!
Are you alright, Artyom?
The cylinder! How bad is it? Can we move? No, we're stuck! Ah, shit!
Damn fog. Seems we ran through someone's roadblock.
Who was it? Any uniforms?
None. They were wearing rags.
Just some old farts.
Old farts, huh? It's just the perimeter guard. They could have put anyone there, even women and children.
Do you really think we found them, Colonel?
Well, we can't be sure. I was expecting to run into the mud. The trolley is headed towards the bridge. Some fortifications there. This looks peaceful. A village and a church on the water. We need intel. Here, Artyom. I put a mark on your map. Get there and find out what you can about that bridge. Taking a prisoner would be ideal. Anna, you cover him.
Yes, sir.
May I go with Artyom too? As backup?
No. Until we figure out our situation, you're not to take a step away from the Aurora. These two can handle themselves just fine. Yermak, when can you get the Aurora running again? I don't know yet. Gotta check on that cylinder, but a full day at least. I see. Get to it then. Spartans, let's prepare the Aurora for a defensive action. Stepan, Tamir, get the perimeter. I'm on
Yes,
it.
sir.
Duke, I need you to recon the immediate area.
Got that, sir.
Idiot, you give him cover from the Aurora.
Yes, sir.
Sam and Alyosha, stay in reserve.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget your notepad, Artyom.
Wait, am I not trustworthy anymore?
Yeah. Pan loan.
Case, Sam. Now get the
Artyom,
chopper.
your notepad is there on the ledge.
Did a pan loan.
Let's go, Artyom.
Artyom, don't forget your backpack. It's a new model. A portable workshop, so to speak. The manual is inside. It doesn't come with crafting materials, though, so keep an eye out for those.
Let's move out, Artyom.
Just be careful out there.
Sure thing. I gotta say, that was one flimsy roadblock. And those guys, well, they didn't look like army men at all. Just old men.
Be careful out there. Remember, most of the country has been destroyed or occupied. Even those who speak our language might be enemies by conviction or out of fear. Got it?
Do you hear that bell? We must have given them a good scare. Maybe they served the enemy, enslaved or something. Going down. Ah, that was great. What was that? Could you check it out?
Open and go.
I took a look around while you were inside. That electric tower there looks like a perfect sniping position. Let's go.
settled. Break a leg.
I'm at the top. It's an excellent spot. Looks like you've been spotted. Artyom, there's a woman on that bell tower waving a rag or something. Please investigate. I see people at the church. None seem to be armed. We'd better try the open approach. Let's not fire first, okay?
Peace be upon thee, traveler. Our father, Silanthius, has already started his sermon. Just enter the temple and see the light of truth. We are a peaceful lot, so please keep your weapons sheathed.
For he absolves those who reject the folly and temptation of electricity and other sinful lures.
You're all evils. You don't save anyone. They killed my friends and my daddy.
Satan's spawn. She'll bring the Lord's wrath upon us. Why do we have to suffer their presence?
Banish her. That would teach them.
Yes, they are not worthy of the protection of desire.
Exile them. Make them repent. Patience, brothers and sisters. Patience and tolerance. For ye must accept thy neighbors like the Lord accepts thee. To truly turn their hearts from sin towards the heavenly bliss of true faith. So let us forgive the child, for she knows not the folly of her words. Let us forgive, brothers. Let us pray for the souls of the sinners. And let us forgive the child as the Lord forgives us. Amen.
Come up here.
Stay calm, brothers and sisters. The heretic is trapped, for so will the Lord. Soon our brother's believers will be here.
Come on.
Justice will be done.
Mama, it's him. The man from the train. He's here to save us.
I can't believe this. I had all but lost hope. We're not from here either. Silantius locked us up here a year ago. Yes, the bridge dwellers won't even talk to heretics. But I'll tell you everything I've seen in this place all that year.
Arriving under the cover of fog.
Oh, it's the bridge guard. Silantius fooled them just like the locals. But unlike them, the bridge guard have guns. Run! There's a way out down here, and there's a boat at the dock.
We also have one, but it's too small for all of us.
Artyom, she's right. Get to the boat. We will rescue her later. Don't worry.
Go! Nasty and I can get to your train by ourselves. We've been thinking about escape for a long time. Even got a boat. But we didn't have anywhere to go until you showed up.
Oh, and get Uncle Chris from the port. He's so good. He can fix anything.
Artyom, I'll meet up with them and get them safely to the Aurora. Don't worry. Get to that dock. I can see the boat there.
Please, run! They'll take you to the fish if they catch you. Those damn Bedford fools. What do you want? What heretic?
Tell me if you saw where you went. Well, he just kind of vanished. I see. All right, God bless you. And I will go look elsewhere. Come on, you got this son of Satan. But still come on, the Lord can't to these men anymore.
Artyom, I can't cover you when you're inside. I'm changing positions to support the child. I know you can handle this just fine.
Watch on the ladder, brethren.
Asleep, then nobody asleep. Yes. You guys are properly know much for our weapon, but aiming for silent getaway.
Are you alright? Great. I was starting to worry. You raised some hell in there. I just kiss you right now. Though I've got to take Katya and Nastia to the Aurora, so see you there. Check the map. Looks like you can row straight there from your position.
So go. Where's? Oh yeah, I can see your reference. Damn. Where's that, bro? Up and jump. Go, go, go.
Artyom, over here!
That's a big one, bro. Damn.
What the fuck was that? A whale? It's fucking huge!
The old man sent me out as a forward sentry. Told me that I was to sit tight and under no circumstances look for any action. So I just had a front row seat watching you there. And so you subdue the occupation forces peacefully with a holy cross and a prayer. Anna has already reported on the cult. How about we trade places? I'd hate to come back to Moscow without even firing once. I was trying to win a girl over from one trader. Tough luck there. Why does everybody else get fun missions? The Colonel does criticize you and all, but he gives you all the best action. Is this his way of showing affection or trying to get you killed? But I have to say it's unfair. I've been dragged out of Moscow, and for what? Stalking the furnace and sitting in a bog with a dumb spyglass. Here, though, we do have a chance of finding some loot. There is this plane there. Just leave something for me. I'll have to stay longer, I suspect.
Damn, we got shot horribly, bro. I'm gonna find a work.
We'll have to make ourselves at home here now, since we're alive. The bridge seems like a nice place. At least it's not going to get flooded. We might end up going to Moscow by rail later. Well,
Damn. Got no bullet, man.
here's Artyom, back from the abyss of NATO
You're
occupation.
alive. Impressive after the horrors Duke told us about.
But there is one more question I need to ask.
But of course.
What do you know of the occupation forces?
Huh? I'm sorry, I don't quite get what you...
You've never seen any foreign army in this area.
No, I haven't seen any army. But we haven't really been to any important places.
I see. Artyom, a moment.
Artyom, stop by my desk once you're done talking to the old man.
Great job saving them, Artyom. Katya here has provided us with vital information. A mechanic called Crest is hiding in the port. His help is required if we're to fix the Aurora in the foreseeable future. Yermak can't handle the repairs alone. So once you're ready, go to the port and invite Crest to join us. Then get back ASAP. We'll have to decide what to do about the fanatics on that bridge. Now we know for sure that the bridge is in working order. They crossed it last year when they got here. Well, at least some things are clearer now. But still, so many questions. There might not even be any enemy forces around here at all. They probably garrison the key regions only. In any case, we'll learn everything once we reach Yamantau. From the top source. The Moscow government is essentially a local council, to put things in perspective. So, now we just need to figure out how to cross this goddamn bridge.
How do you like the backpack? Is it comfortable? Can you operate stealthily with it? I have a present for you here. A Tihar rifle. Ring any bells? It's pneumatic, but it still packs a wallop. Plus, making bullets for it is easy as pie, even in the field. Just remember to keep that pressure up. Otherwise, you might as well be spitting him out yourself. Other than that, it will never fail you. I did my best. So, bear it with honor. And don't forget to drop by from time to time. I have a few ideas for improving it.
What do I even do about this? I could replace the cylinder, but there's just no spare.
Hi, Artyom.
Hello again, Artyom. You've been quiet out there.
Skin to tough blade. Oslo, Mongolia, champion.
Thank you, Artyom. If not for you, we'd never have escaped that place. They were so busy looking for you. And then Anna picked us up.
So you're going to the port to look for that mechanic? Please, do your best. Otherwise, we might as well get used to this place.
So, Artyom, are you going to the port?
Greatest Skull is back.
Hi guys.
Oh, that not fit you at all, boy. Don't talk to him, please, cause I don't think I ready.
Oh, Saka there, Saka. Saka. Come here, party boy. Hey guys.
Are you run gone earlier, brother?
Boy. Me have stuff to do, you know.
Yeah, no stuff to do. I alone him go alone kneel and forward back. Boy thinking easy. Boy skulls, boy stuff.
Need some money. How you have it?
Metro Exodus a new game, man. Body of art. That's good.
Yeah, you say I go stream it now.
Me a stream it now. Fans them are free.
You mean nobody? Zero?
Zero is compass attached to your you think body of art. For FIFA?
I just my thing because I take you have to go back here, man.
Burn up for gear you would. Whoa! Man say not skin. What?
What?
That not skin something. What?
Burn up that? I really see a marine. I mean, it have Coleman in energy and
why upgrade up?
yeah, player speak can't find him, brother. I must put him in SBC.
I love fling people in SBC, man.
I mean, that should be that blood clots in there. I'm gonna do the untradable.
People over here, so.
Oh, in there, Najee. Yes, yes, we did that way. Yes, Najee, we need that shit cool, man. So I couldn't find him by my phone. Me can't sell the one here now. Hey, money. Money this. Make sure you list him up, man. Let me see how much you want to go for. Hey, 7K? What? Upon the chancellor market, you shall go. Come here, look for him today. I can't find him, Dan. On my phone. I said, no, I'm going to put him in a SVC. I'm going to look it over. I ain't pop up. Right there, my son. Super sub this, master. 5-star weak foot, 3 foot.
What's a 5-star weak foot and 3 foot?
Oh, the blood clot. Nah, bro. They robbed me, Dan. They robbed me. 95 PS.
No bullet.
80 shots. Huh?
Damn, run out a bullet. Jump
I
wall.
caught ya.
The man can't jump the wall.
Just
Dead,
know.
Yo. I know, bro. Asking anything there.
Test the ass. Where the boy the name in
Test the ass? What?
They say nothing but ass. And I know we are trying to.
Dan, like, Skulls come here with him crazy. I don't know that. I don't know my youth.
I don't know.
And that is what he asked. Why?
What there?
You're a virgin in
Yes,
that.
sir.
Burn up.
Man can't extend the weekend league, man.
You're 5. See that? See that?
I mean, I should have
time be
Monday
happen.
in.
Whoop prayer. Damn, I can't wait to see bullet them dog.
Not really. Alright, man. Bashi why get a run, you know? Should I put things over the still? He Bashi why run, run. Erickson. What is it, Erickson? Take off a legend.
Watch a banana bullet.
I think them match them money for run off.
What the freak, man?
Me squad battles.
No bullet, dog. Stupid game make me no bullet.
Someone have a Alice now get a chance in a goal, you know. Done.
Oh, 8 years.
The ones to watch Allison then give me. I try the one more for expire.
Me get what I want to watch Dennis Suarez.
Oh yeah? How much?
79.
90.
You might go for a whole heap of money, do a 20,000 that time. It's a lot of money that.
Bumbucker. You want to see goal the thing they miss?
Oh.
No.
Hi guys. Doing fine guys. How are you doing guys?
Fire. How you doing, sir? Yeah. No, Chinese. Chan.
Whoa. Oh.
Yeah.
Chan,
Almost
man.
that you want here.
Chan, man. Yeah, why they want to put on a clothes go there? God.
I say I am the Chani man.
Oh.
Fool is that?
No.
Come on, FIFA. Baggy na kaya din earth. Good.
What, your team?
The soccer today. Could have swear me dash it cool, man. Oh, Betty.
Bombard. No bullet.
better up in the